Jonathan, here he goes, getting the wind up. Rachel, the controller. The fun swing controller. Real tight. Oh, don't make it swing. It'll hit his feet. Keep your feet tucked in.
Keep your feet tucked in.
And your head back. Okay, ready, set, go. Oh, take your feet in. If you pull your body in, it does it faster.
See that? Okay, let's see.
Who was that?
That was Sandy.
Got his big old boots. Sammy Douglas.